he at the library?
And then stay.
Is he gonna get a book to read? Who is that? Oh. Is Grover getting a book?
No.
Oh, he's not? What's on the next page?
No.
I bet there's animals on the next page. You can't close it. Oh, what's that page? Turn it.
Don't stay. Kitty. Kitty, Daddy.
It's a kitty?
Right there.
What does a kitty say?
Meow. Puppy say. What?
They do? What's on that page? Is there a bunny?
No. Right there.
Is there a deer?
No.
I think there is.
Right there.
Yep. And a raccoon?
Right there.
Yeah.
A raccoon and bear, everybody, in a way.
Mm-hmm.
No way.